What I have here is a standard router. Normally if you're going to use these, you've got to get underneath the router table to actually turn it on and off. It can be a bit of a pain. So what I'm going to have this plugged into is a standalone NVR. So our AUK NVR switch, no volt release switch, can be used with any router, a pillar drill, a lathe. All you do, you've now got a control box which you can isolate the machine, release so you can get your power on, turn him on, either turn him off by the red button or by the emergency stop. What you have is whatever your machine is, your router can be plugged into the fly lead that comes off the NVR box, and the other wire goes off to the plug in the wall. What we also have is an AUK stainless steel NVR mounting plate. This is being pre-drilled, 2 holes which will fix to the bolt holes in either our JessEm, our AUK or our Incra router stands. 2 holes so the NVR box can be fixed to that. It holds the NVR box in the right position but keeps it nice and strong. Our standalone AUK NVR switch will work with a whole range of tools or machines, routers, lathes, pillar drills, lights. Power in, power out. Just plug your machine in, plug it into the wall, and you've got full control via the switch box.